Good day, folks. In this video I will show you how to use the ChatApp automation rule to add to a messenger group in Bitrix24. To create an automation rule, you need to go to the CRM tab and click automation rule. The automation rule will work at the stage where you move your deal card. So select the stage where you want to create the group and click add. You can find the automation rule manually in Other tab, but using the search is easier and faster. Create group. Add. In the group name field, enter a name. Maximum number of characters is 100. For example, test 3. In the phones of group members field, you need to specify the clients and employees you want to add to the group. You can specify the numbers manually or make the phone numbers pulled from contact card. To do this, you need to click on the three dots here and enter phone. Here you need to find contact phone text. Click add. And let's add manually our employee. Text of the message field. You can enter a welcome message. Hello will be enough for us. It is possible to set avatar to the group. This can be done only for a messenger or WhatsApp. To do this, you need to insert the ID file from Bitrix drive into this field. To send the file insert in Bitrix24, you need to go to the Bitrix24 drive. If you haven't uploaded any images yet, click on add and upload a new document. I already done it, so click right mouse on it, hover over share, and then you need to click on copy internal link. You can use any text editor. I will use a search bar in the browser. Paste it here. You need to find object ID equals numbers. That numbers is what we need. Copy them. Go back to CRM and enter here. And here. I will create group in Telegram, but you can use it. In the line ID field, you can specify the ID of the ChatApp line to which certain messengers are connected. But if you leave this field empty, the first line in the list will be. The number of lines can be found here in your ChatApp personal account in My Business section. When creating a WhatsApp, it is not possible to add group members this way, but later I will tell you how to add users in WhatsApp. For now we will create a group in Telegram. In the channel field, select Telegram and let's save our settings. Let's check how it works. Let's create a deal, give it a name, and add contact. Save the deal. Let's move the card to the stage where we have an automation rule. And let's see the result. Test group was created, and in the participants we see there is a client and there is an employee. Now let's see how it works the WhatsApp group. First I will show you how to set avatar with this automation rule and how to add participants to your group. To add participants to a WhatsApp group we use another way. We add another automation rule. This is the send message automation rule. Here in the field execution, you should select wait. Then in the phone field, we need to pull the phone from the contact card. For this, we click on the three dots and enter contact and enter phone and select contact phone text. And through semicolon character, we can specify number of employee. In the message field, you need to send an invitation to the group. For this, click on the three dots, scroll all the way down and select Automation Rules. Create group. And here we need to select link to invite to the group. Now let's save our automation rules. There is another way to add a participant to the group. The number of this participant must be first be added to contacts in the phone, to which the WhatsApp account connected. Now let's create another deal and add another contact. Save it and move to the deal with automation rules. Let's see how it works. Here is our group, and here is the client, and here is the client, here is our group, and here is the client, and here is our employee. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.